27th May 2026, 7 p.m. The sun is on the horizon and about to be set. This is the back of my house. I am on my terrace, and today I will show you uh, the only terrace garden we have. Here we have 4 earthen vessels for the birds to drink water. This one bottle is a little arrangement by my husband so that the birds can eat grains. And here we have the 4 great players of my little terrace garden. I am saying it because they are the only ones who survive this heat and survive the direct sunlight which comes on my roof. The other plants we had to shift them to the gallery uh, at the back of my bedroom, and these are the only ones who remained here and remained green throughout the summer. Or first one we have is Aparajita. Uh, this one was long enough to reach the shade earlier, but my father cut it down, chopped it off so that it can grow better. The second one we have, I don't know its name, but white beautiful flowers with a yellow tint grows on it. So this one is also surviving the heat beautifully. And the third one, I don't know, I'm actually bad with the names of the plants and the trees. I just know their qualities, so I'll be describing them uh, according to that. So this one is the plant of Vidya. We used to call it the Vidya plant, and kids used to keep it uh, in their textbooks. They used to think that keeping its leaves will bring them good marks in studies. So this one is the Vidya plant. It is also surviving beautifully. And the fourth one we have is Parijat or Harsingar. Uh, Also beautiful white little flowers with um, orangish tint grows on it. So both Parijat and Aparajita, both these plants um, are dear to Lord Shiv and Vishnu. So that is why I grew them uh, at my parents' house firstly, and then with those plants we grew its saplings, and my mother told me that I insisted me to bring them here on my own house too. It is a very interesting story about these two plants that I'm going to tell you that, but first I'll show you the vision of the mountains. The sun is already set, and but still there is light, and still it is bright as daylight even when the sun is set in the mountains. So again with the story with these two plants, my father is moody with the plants we grew at our home. Sometimes he favors them, and sometimes he sees ants or little insects around them, or sometimes when he see that the planters or the moisture is damaging the roof, he is very much against it. So when I bought this new house, my mother told me to take those little saplings of Parijat and Aparajita to my house, which my father opposed eagerly. So, but I don't know what ran over my mother's mind. So she told me and my brother that while my father was out for a morning walk, we too keep we too uh, take those little saplings of Parijat and Aparajita hidden from my father's eyes, and we take it to my new house. So we did that, and when my father saw it on my roof, fortunately he was nice to them, and then he also bought manure for them and little powder for them to protect them from the insects. So that's the story about these two plants. So sometimes my father likes them and sometimes he doesn't uh, enjoy keeping plants at the house. These two little ones, again, I don't know their name, but they grow beautifully in the direct sunlight, and they don't even need too much water. So these six are surviving and growing greener and growing better in summers. This one, I think this one is about to have little flowers on it. Uh, let's see, hope for the best. So again, the view of the horizon and the mountains. Thanks for watching.